Welcome to a video by Stanza Repair. Today we're doing an odometer repair and a 96 Thunderbird. You will need to remove two screws, bolt style, that are up here. I'll show you. See, they're there and there to get it off, and then it just has snap clips. Mine's broke, so this fell off, but you'll need to come up from underneath and pry that off with a flathead screwdriver. You can get it off and then pop that off. Other than that, it like snaps in. But to get this out, you have 4 bolts with security T-bits, which is a T15, and you got 4. You have one here, one there, one there, and one there. I'm gonna go ahead and get this pulled out, get those undone, and I'll be right back. Okay, to get the last screw out, leave it kind of in there, pull this forward, and then you can pull it out. Now, once you get this loose, you're gonna need to pull it forward. Hold on. Come on. There we go. And then we got the plug right there, which you'll pinch both sides and get out. And then you have another one. Oh, sorry about that. You got another one right there that you gotta get. I'm gonna go ahead and pause it here and get this out, and then I'll be right back. Okay, here's this. Now we're going ahead and got a replacement odometer, because this one here is completely done for. So the next thing we need to do is take off this plastic faceplate, and you can get this tool set here at your local AutoZone, which is about all you really need for this job. And these bolts are the same T15. And you have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these you need to pull out. 3 up top, 4 on the bottom. And I got this out of the local junkyard, and by looking inside of it, it looks like the gears have been replaced because they're not the standard white color. They're the actual replacement, the blue color. Okay, once you do that, you can take this off, and if this don't come off right with it, you do need to take the plastic and this piece off. That will give you access to your speedometer. And remember last time, just comes right out. You might have to push a little bit, but let me go ahead and put that back in so you can see exactly how did that. But it snaps in, and right here and down inside there you have those plastic little push pins that hold. you can push, get your finger up in there, and this one, oh, and there went that. Where'd it go? Hopefully it didn't damage my temperature gauge. That came flying out. So we'll go ahead and put the temperature gauge back in. Make sure when you do, you push down in, because if you see inside here, you have these 3 little metal prongs. That actually is what these go into. So put your new one in, pop it in just like that, and you're done. Now there is a step 2 that I'm going to be doing with this. I got a bunch of replacement bulbs because pretty much almost every bulb in this is burnt out. So I'm going to go ahead and put all these back in, and I'll be right back. So now we're going to do some bulb replacement. Alright, so in order to get a bulb out, it's pretty simple. You just twist, you pull it out. Let's take a look at that. And the same method to put one back in. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do this, and then next thing you'll see is this is installed back in the car, and we're going to make sure everything works. Okay, back now. Time to install it. Get this first plug. Kind of pull it out. Get it in where they both snap in, where you hear that snap. And then the same thing for the other one. Okay. Get her in there. Okay. Let's get my key. Let's go ahead and test this. One of my little things fell out. Airbag light's on. Kind of figured that. Oh, airbag light went off. Oh, it's flashing. Okay, let me get my camera tightened down. Let me get you guys at a better angle. Hold on a second. The speedometer actually works, and then I'm going to have to take it back out so I can get my thing back in. Okay, everything lights up. Seatbelt on. Okay. Just so I can get out of the garage, I'm going to go ahead and pause it here, and then we're going to get out the garage. Test, because I have no idea if this one actually works. Looks like she's working. Alright, now the good question is, does the odometer work? Because I have it set at, you know, what the car actually has, mileage wise. And that airbag light flashing ain't gonna bother me any. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to get into my Speedometer app so we can, and then I'll splice that video in so we can see if the speedo is actually the correct miles an hour.